Today, we're talking about essential life skills every man should learn by the age of 20. Whether you're preparing to move out, starting college, or entering the workforce, these skills will help you navigate adulthood with confidence. Let's dive in. 1. Cooking basic meals. First up, cooking basic meals. Knowing how to prepare few simple, healthy dishes can save you money and improve your health. By learning to make food by yourself is great because it helps to be independent and also not eat junk food if you know how to make good food by yourself. 2. Basic financial management. Next, let's talk about financial management. It's crucial to understand how to manage your money, create a budget, and save for the future. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet. Allocate funds for essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and your daily needs. Set aside some part of your income, like 10%, in investing and saving. I'll not go deep into it, but you've got the idea. Remember, it's important to live within your means and avoid unnecessary debt. Learning to manage your finances early will set you up for success. 3. Time management and organization. Effective time management and organization are key to staying on top of your responsibilities. Let's go over some strategies. Use a planner or a digital calendar to schedule your tasks and appointments. Prioritize your to-do list by marking the most important tasks. Make your plan a day before. I've talked about this in detail in last video. Make sure to check it out after this video. I'll put link in description. 4. Basic home. Next up is basic home maintenance. Knowing how to fix minor issues around the house can save you time and money. Changing light bulbs, making bed, cleaning your room are no-brainer. These basic skills will help you maintain your living space and handle minor repairs effortlessly. 5. Effective communication. Effective communication is crucial in both personal and professional relationships. Let's discuss some tips to improve your communication skills. There are 4 bullet points for most effective speaking. 1. Active listening. Pay full attention to the speaker. Show you understand their message through nods and verbal acknowledgements. 2. Clear and concise speaking. Be straightforward and to the point to avoid misunderstandings. 3. Nonverbal communication. Use positive body language, like eye contact, and open gestures to reinforce your message. 4. Conflict resolution. Address conflicts calmly and respectfully, focusing on finding a solution rather than placing blame. By practicing these skills, you can communicate more effectively and build stronger relationships. 6. Personal hygiene and grooming. Maintaining personal hygiene and grooming is essential for your health and confidence. Here are some basics to keep in mind. 1. Oral care. Brush and floss your teeth twice a day to maintain oral health. 2. Facial hair. Shave or trim regularly to keep facial hair neat and tidy. 3. Skincare routine. Cleanse your face daily, moisturize, and apply sunscreen to protect your skin. If you want a detailed skincare routine, then check out my glass skin video. I'll put link in description. 4. General hygiene. Shower 2 times a day, use deodorant and apply perfume, and keep your nails trimmed and clean. Good personal hygiene and grooming habits help you make a positive impression and feel great. 7. Building and maintaining relationships. 1. Take time for loved ones. Prioritize spending quality time with friends and family. Regularly schedule meetups, calls, or activities together to stay connected. 2. Show appreciation and support. Express gratitude and appreciation for the people in your life. Offer support when they need it, whether it's listening to their problems or helping out with tasks. 3. Communicate openly and honestly. Maintain open lines of communication. Share your thoughts and feelings honestly and encourage others to do the same. This builds trust and deepens your relationships. 4. Be willing to listen and help. Practice active listening and show empathy. Be there for your loved ones in times of need, offering a helping hand or a shoulder to lean on. By nurturing your relationships with these practices, you'll build stronger, more meaningful connections. 8. Seeking help and self-improvement. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek help. Whenever you feel stuck in life, seek help with your adults, mentors, teacher, or even a good friend. And prioritize focusing on self-improvement. Whether it's learning a new skill, seeking advice, or getting professional help, it's important to keep growing. Attend workshops, read books, and find mentors who can guide you. If you're struggling with mental health, seek support from a counselor or therapist. Continuously working on yourself will help you navigate life's challenges and achieve your goals. So there you have it. Essential life skills every man should learn by 20. By mastering these skills, you'll be better prepared to face adulthood with confidence and success. And as always, subscribe for more content on personal growth, skincare, and all things men growing up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.